Hello folks, well in southern Ontario we do have warnings in effect. We do have a freezing rain warning for Bancroft, Bon Echo Park, Barrie, Orillia, Midland, Belleville, Quint, Northumberland, Brockville, Leeds, Grenville, City of Toronto, Dufferin, Innisfil, Grey Bruce, Halton Peel, Kingston, Prince Edward, Peterborough, Kawartha Lakes, Stirling, Tweed, South Frontenac, Waterloo, Wellington, York, Durham. In these areas, you can expect a prolonged period of freezing rain. Expect a general 3 to 6 millimeters. So be careful out on the roads, and hope everybody has a great holiday weekend.